Looking to get the most out of your graphics card without worrying about connection issues or cable clutter? ASUS's patented SafeSlot PCI-E and flexible riser cable designs offer a smart solution that combines strength, stability, and efficiency, right where it counts. I've spent countless hours building and upgrading PCs, and one thing that always stands out is how crucial solid connections and cable management are for performance and longevity. ASUS's SafeSlot is engineered with reinforced metal and extra solder points, making sure your graphics card stays firmly in place, even under heavy loads or when you're moving your rig around. It's a small detail, but it makes a huge difference in preventing signal loss or damage during installation and daily use. The riser cable is another highlight. Its slim, flat, and foldable design isn't just about saving space, it's built to maintain transmission efficiency and stable performance. Thanks to a high-frequency, low-resistance PCB and ME shielding, it blocks interference that could degrade your graphics card's output. Plus, it's tough enough to handle folding or twisting without losing signal quality, which means better airflow inside your case and more room to optimize your setup. If your motherboard supports PCIe 4.0, a quick BIOS adjustment to PCIe 3.0 Gen 3 ensures compatibility and smooth operation with these riser cables. This tweak helps maintain the best balance between speed and stability, so you get reliable performance without guesswork. One satisfied user, a dedicated Raj fan, praised the Helios case combined with ASUS components for its perfect radiator and fan support, beautiful design, and ease of installation. The case's solid build and airflow options complement the SafeSlot and riser cable's durability, making it a top choice for enthusiasts who want premium quality without compromise. If you're serious about building a PC that runs smoothly and lasts, ASUS's SafeSlot PCIe and flexible riser cables are worth a close look. They offer what you need: stronger connections, less interference, and smarter cable management that helps your system breathe and perform at its peak. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your setup and experience the difference firsthand.